Renewable energy. Renewable energy is the energy that we can get through any of the renewable sources, that basically can get through something that is natural, that comes naturally, such as sunlight, wind, water, biomass, and geothermal heat. Solar energy. Solar energy is a source of clean, environmental-friendly green electricity energy, which created from sunlight. Solar energy is one of the best renewable energy because solar energy is sustainable and inexhaustible. Example of solar energy. Solar energy can be applied onto many forms of devices such as calculator, lamp, car and solar panel. Actually, the sun radiates 175 quadrillion of energy onto Earth's surface, which is in 10,000 times more than we need. How solar energy works? Sunlight is a huge source of nuclear reactor, which produces protons, which will hit the solar panel. When protons hit the solar panel, they knock electrons loose from their atoms to form an electrical circuit. When electrons flow through such a circuit, they generate energy. Wind. Wind power converts wind energy to electricity energy by using wind turbine. Wind power is a good renewable source since wind will never stop blowing. Some countries like France, China, Europe and many more use it. Example of wind power is wind turbine. How does wind energy work? Wind turbine operate on a simple principle. The energy in the wind turbine 2 or 3 propeller like blades around a rotor. The rotor is connected to the main shaft which spins a generator to create electricity. Water. Water energy, also known as micro-hydro system. It converts the flow of water into electrical energy. A turbine is immersed in the water and it produces electricity through the flowing water which rotates the turbine's blade. Example is dam. How does water energy work? Hydroelectric power plant produces energy by water flow to turn a propeller-like piece-coated turbine, which then turns a metal shaft in an electrical generator, which is the motor that produces electricity. Biomass is a great renewable energy which produces by biomass waste. Biomass waste is an unwanted leftover product from the agricultural activity such as palm oil or residue from wood. Example, gas fire. How does biomass produce energy? In a direct combustion system, biomass is burnt in a combustor or furnace to generate hot gas, which is fed onto a boiler to generate steam, which is expanded through a steam turbine or steam engine to produce mechanical or electrical energy. Geothermal energy. Geothermal energy is the heat from the earth. It's clean and sustainable. Resources of geothermal energy range from the shallow ground to hot water and hot rocks, found a few miles beneath the Earth's surface and down even deeper to the extremely high temperatures of molten rock called magma. How it produces energy? What these types of geothermal power plants all have in common is that they use steam turbines to generate electricity. This approach is very simple, similar to other thermal power plants, using other sources of energy than geothermal. This bar graph illustrates top countries with installed renewable electricity by technology. In the year of 2012, in hydroelectric power, first place takes China, solar energy, Germany, geothermal, US, wind, China, biomass, US. Conclusion from the research. Why don't we use more renewable energy? In general, renewable energy is more expensive to produce and to use than fossil fuel energy. Favorable renewable resources are often located in remote areas and can be expensive to build power lines from the renewable energy sources to the cities that need the electricity. In addition, renewable sources are not always available. Clouds reduce electricity from solar power plants. Days with low wind reduce electricity from wind farms. Droughts reduce water available for hydropower. Our conclusion: renewable energy is a good source of electricity which has dozens of advantages, and moreover, it is eco-friendly. But it has disadvantages what do not allow renewable energy to spread in all over the world and care about planet. And we as engineers and smart people have to create something new what will support renewable energy and remove its disadvantages with transportation and cost. We must create something to save our planet. Think out of box, and who knows, you may be a guy who will solve this problem.